Hi, so pupunta kami sa Bench Fashion Week para panoodin si Jill Salazar. In-invite niya kasi kami and I'm so grateful. We're so grateful. Kami magkakapatid ni Ate Lara kasama si Mommy. And yeah, magme-makeup muna ako. So, alright, so tapos na kami ayos, mag-makeup. Nag-makeup kami for like 2.5 hours. Like, but, ayan.
Arman, nagkita mo na tradition? Arman, nagkita tradition? Halika na dito.
Diyan nang grab. So, we're gonna go na for the Bench Design Awards. Yay! Mommy, ang ganda mo kung doon niya.
So, ito yung sinuot ko sa Bench Design Awards. I wore red top because I want to emphasize my fiery element when it comes to my Venus and Aries. And ang makeup ko naman is inspired by Taurus Rising makeup na parang which is very earthy tone. So, ayan, I was filming the skyscrapers kasi ang ganda and sakto may dumaan na train. Just admire the view. I love it. Oh, ayan, nagkaganda-gandahan lang si ate mo, girl. Tingnan mo si ate Lara. Oh, French girl, French vibes. Parisian girl yan eh. And tingnan mo naman ang haircut ko with the slight kulot dahil sa bun. Yes, tingnan mo si mommy, parang donya talaga. Love it. And ayan, naghihintay lang kami and I feel the excitedness. Yes, na-excite ako na kinakabahan. For some reason, manonood lang naman ako. Yes, girl, ang daming tao. Ang daming fashionista, nakakahiya. Sa sobrang hiya namin, nakalimutan ni mami magbayad sa Grab driver. Nakakahiya, my gosh. Ayan, be, sabi nila Ate Jelly, agaw excited daw kami ng pagbaba namin sa kotse and sobrang nakakaya kasi I do feel the eyes at me. Kaya sinarado ko agad yung yung camera. Yan, tignan mo naman sila Ate Lara, nag-reunite sila ng best friend niya at ang best friend niya actually ang nagpakilala sa amin kay Jill Salazar kasi tito niya si Jill Salazar. And yun din yung rason kung bakit kami naging model. Tignan mo naman ang aking beautiful mother. Alam niyo ba pangarap niya din noon maging model and tignan mo, hiyang-hiya siya kasi ang dami magaganda and fashionista. Very eye candy, masarap daw tignan. Charot! So, ayan, makikita mo ang Bench Design Awards na sign and puro pilahan lang yan lahat. Malapit naman na kami sa building pero it will be worth it in the end kasi makakaupo naman din kami. So, ayan, we're inside the building. Malapit na kami sa loob ng venue. And before kami makapasok sa actual runway, nandito muna yung showcasing ng mga damit ng mga designers na lalaban sa Bench Design Awards or BDA. So, ayan, tingnan si Mommy, nagpapapicture din ulit. Love it. Ayan, oh, may pa-food pa sila and lemon water. And dapat kakain na ako. Tapos bigla ko nakita yung dress ni Uncle Jill. Yes, yung angel dress na sinuot ni ate sa collection shoot ni Uncle Jill nung mag-graduate pa lang siya sa Sofa Design School. Yeah, I'm just so proud na grabe talaga yung layo na dinating ni Uncle Jill and I'm so proud sa kanya and I pray more and more good things will happen sa kanyang career. And syempre, ayan, si Sandro, sinuot ko din ng isa sa mga dress niya noon sa Mega YTC. Tapos, ayan, Teo, tignan mo yung si Kuya nakakulay blue. Tinuturo niya kami na umupo sa front seat. Like, seryoso ka ba? Yung mga front seat kasi mga pang sikat lang na tao na kilala ang uupo. Tapos, pinapupo kami sa front seat. Like, seryoso ba kayo? Like, wait lang. Tapos, buti na lang, tinawag kami ng babae na doon kami umupo. Kasi, girl, grabe naman yun. Pero okay na din yung kung upo kami sa front seat, no? No one's gonna know. Siyempre, ayan na mga ini-escort kami paupuin and nakakaya, ang dami nakatingin, ang daming tao. So, sinarado ko agad-agad yung camera. My gosh, nahiya ako. Ayan, nakaupo na kami at tinarayan pala yung ate ko ng mga nakatayo sa likod. Kasi syempre, sino ba namang hindi maiinis, nakatayo ka lang for 2 hours. And I feel the empathy, pero it's not nice, okay? Wag kang montarin ng ibang tao just because you're in a bad mood. Plus, kaharap namin si Michelle D. Hindi sa actual front seat namin, pero doon sa kabila, kaharap namin si Michelle D. We can see her reactions, raw reactions, and other people na sikat. To be honest, ang lakas ng kabog ng puso ko kasi I feel na it's so close yet so far na pangarap ko nga, diba, ang modeling, and kinukurot-kurot ko si Ate Lara kasi pangarap namin dalawa yan. Tapos kasama pa kami sa bench casting noon and birthday ko pa yun sakto. Hindi pa binigay sa akin ni Lord ang gift na yun. Ayan, pinagsimula na. First designer natin ay si Steph Ferrano, which is also the winner of DDA, along with Peach Garde and Carl Nadales, which is kakilala din ni ate kasi nakasama niya sa Mega YDC. I mean, look at her designs. Napakalinis and very, very islandic, which is bagay sa summer and spring fashion week. And I think this is just perfect na nanalo talaga siya. Ang dami kong clips and ayoko na magsalita, so mananahimik ako and just watch the clips. And OMG, look at this designer. I love him. Taga Cavite din siya. And it's just giving super, super unique and colorful, which is what I actually love. this one though, ang ganda ng designs niya, mala cyberpunk na edgy na, oh my god, look at that, black and stuff, it's like my heart. Charot. Ang ganda, I love it. It's so bold. I wanna wear one of those. Ayan lang! Si Uncle Jim! I'm so proud of him. The whole show, naluluha-luha ako kasi like, oh my gosh, umabot siya sa bench and I'm just so proud. Proud. And look at his designs. It's so cute and I love the concept. Yes, and I want to shut up and you should watch the whole show. Bye! Model or not, just by being in this show is such a privilege and an honor. I'm so happy kasi isa din to sa pangarap ko. And I didn't even thought na makakanood talaga ako in an actual fashion show. But here I am now, all thanks to Jill Salazar. And we are so grateful sa kanya, sa lahat. Kasi I think isa siya sa big part ng rason kung bakit we're starting modeling. And yeah, I'm just so grateful talaga to Lord and to Him, to everyone else na nagsusupport sa amin. And sana meron pa. Ayan, tignan mo si Fashion Fairy Godmother. Ang saya-saya niya kahit hindi siya nanalo. And I love his energy. That's why I really love him. And I really pray na mas madami pa siyang maabot sa buhay. At syempre kami din. Ayan, syempre, umaaura ako sa CR nila. Grabe. Feel na feel ko ang sarili ko. Ang ganda-ganda ko. Ay, lang. Tama na ba? May dadaan. At syempre, pinapapicture ulit namin si Mother because, hello, why not? So, ayan, nakalabas na kami sa building and papunta na kami sa bus. Naglalakad kami papunta sa bus and there's some random dude na nag-hello sa akin. And nagulat ako kasi like, hello, may celebrity dyan, ba't hindi ka mag-hello dyan? And I mounted the ganun. Kasi nagulat ako pero sana hindi niya masamain yun. It's just my initial reaction when I get confused. Ayan, nakapasok kami sa bus even though wala kaming beep card pero kasi luckily meron kami natanungan na babae galing sa bench and prod sila doon. And ang bait nila magkakasama. And yeah, pagod-pagod na kami niyan kasi naantok na ako. Malapit na kami makauwi niyan. Nasa tricycle na kami. And my gosh, sobrang pagod ko. Pero kinaya pa naman.
Ayan, so nakauwi na kami, guys. Grabe, ang pagod. Antok na ako. Tingnan mo si gamer girl ko. Naiwan sa bahay. Tapos naglalaro ng PS5.
Ano ko oras ka naglalaro? Kanina ka naglalaro?
Ayun. Madami kami nakitang celebrities. Lalo na si Michelle D. Nakapila kami doon kasi parang pwede daw kami pumila para makuha ng picture. Though, we don't know pa kung mapopost kami. If mapopost kami, edi thank you. And thank God. Tapos, habang nakapila kami, na may lumabas sa elevator. Tapos, nagulat kami ni Ate Lara. Parang hindi namin in-expect. Kasi, naririnig pa lang namin na parang, lumabas na ba si Michelle? Si Michelle?
Ay, andyan pala kayo si Dino.
Michelle D pala yung sinasabi. Like, Michelle D. Oh my God! Tapos parang kunwari na mysterious ko lang dyan na ganun. Biglang nawala yung angas ko. Though, super lucky ko. Tapos nung pinaupo kami sa likod ng front seat. Pero, it's already nice. Tapos, harap namin si Michelle D. So, nakikita naman si Michelle D sa other side. Pero, I still can see her. Sorry. I still can see her. Yun, I get to see very creative people and super, I feel like that's my world na, bro. Ang dami magagandang damit, like, meron naka-gyaru, merong mga naka-fur coat na parang, wow, taray. Tapos, basta yung mga kakaibang creations na parang they get to express themselves. It's just so, as in, like, sa amin, parang porma-pormahan lang na, sa kanila, as in, hindi, arts talaga ang kanilang suotan. And I love that, na parang super natutuwa ako sa kanila. Madami din ako nakita mga influencers and some people. Tapos, I get to reunite with my model acquaintances. Ang kulit nila, as in. So, ayun. This is my makeup. I did all that. Sabi daw kasi, I follow kasi astrology and I followed my rising sign. My rising sign is in Taurus. So, parang medyo, I don't know, if halata mo ka siyang matapang na bull-like energy type na earth type. And for my Venus sign, I dressed as my Venus sign, my Aries. So, very red and fiery and bold. So, yeah. Nakakangalay sa puwet. Pero, it's so worth it. And I just want to thank Jill Salazar talaga. Kasi, he's the one who invited us. And we get to experience this once in a lifetime. Maybe more, sana. Hindi lang, isa din yun sa pangarap ko na maging parte ng audiences when it comes to watching fashion shows. Like, it's such a big privilege, lalo na sa Bench Fashion Week pa talaga. Sa Bench Design Awards, I get to see a lot of creative people and very pretty faces and handsome faces. And, yeah, that's basically it. Super saya. Ikaw, Ate Lara, may masasabi ka ba?
Masaya, nakakapagod. Uncle Jill, you know you're a winner, baby.
Yes, you are the winner. In my heart, in our hearts, we believe in you since day one. And I hope you still keep that shining, sprinkling creations that you do, kasi I really love your designs. And sana magpapatuloy pa because this is just the start of your very, very amazing journey. Successful, amazing journey. Ciao. Bye. Guys, ang init sa Pinas. Naliligo na ako lahat. My God. So, ayun. Wala na pala akong masasabi kasi I'm done. And back to reality kami. For me, mag-aaral kasi malapit na ang midterms ko. For Ate Lara, anong gagawin mo? Anong gagawin mo?
OJT.
Mag-OJT. And, yep. So, pretty much won't be posting for a while. Ciao, bye-bye.